Hey, it's Derek, and here's 3 things we love about the Bosch Tumble dryer. It knows how to get the best results, makes ironing easier, and it saves you time. It automatically stops things when you close it at your desired level of dryness, with auto dryer preventing over drying, which can cause shrinkage and even damage. By drying with mild warm air that comes from all sides, the sensitive drying system helps to look after your clothes and reduce creasing, which makes ironing easier. If you want to chuck in a small load when you're in a bit of a rush, quick faulty drying can get it done speedily and save you some time. If you want to find out more, visit us in store, online, or chat to one of us on Shop Live video call.